Hi guys, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments. Today I have been to my mother's and I worked in one of her flower beds, getting it ready for spring, doing a lot of weeding, just making everything ready for her hosta and everything that she has in her beds. I also brought a lot of that home with me. I brought home 3 very large hostas, 2 rose bushes, and some cuttings. And one of the things that I brought home cuttings of was a clematis vine. I have never propagated a clematis vine, but today that's what we're going to try. I have some other things. If I can get to them tonight, I'm going to show you those too, but for right now I'm going to show you the clematis vine. Stay with me as I get it all together. Okay guys, have you ever had one of those days where you can do something, you know it's going to take 5 minutes, and then something happens, like trying to find a little part for your camera so that you can tilt your camera, put it on tripod? It takes 30 minutes just trying to find the piece. It's just the story of my day. Okay, so this is a clematis vine. Probably won't stay in focus. This is the tail end where I took the cutting, and then this is the top. And while I've been searching for the piece for my camera, it's kind of wilted, so I don't know how this will go, but we're going to try it anyway. So what I'm going to do, this is the leaf nodes. I'm going to cut 1 inch on each side. I got a sharp knife, and I want to use a sharp knife instead of like pruning shears, something that's going to pinch it. I don't want to pinch it. I want to get a clean cut. And for some reason my knife is not even cutting. So this was the top of the vine. This is going towards the tail of the vine. So this is what I'm going to be planting. I'm going to cut off one of the stems that held the leaf, and this is what I'm left with, and I'm going to be placing it in the pot like this, so you can see that, and you can see that my leaves have kind of wilted. Here is my pot. I've already got a soilless mixture in here, so I put in perlite, sand, and crushed granite. Let's see if you can see that. And I've got just like paper towel in the bottom. All I'm trying to do at this point is to get roots going. So I don't want to put anything with nutrients in there because that might cause it to rot. I just want to be able to get moisture to it. And we're going to take off this one. So now I'm left with the node, left with the leaves. And again, I'm going to set this in the pot and we'll just see how many I get out of here. I don't want to waste what I brought home. I thought this would be a great experiment to try. So this is going to give me 3 cuttings. I don't think I'm going to try the other. There's just a little bit left on it. So all of my cuttings are going in like this. And I'm kind of just resting them up against the edge of the pot. And this is perlite, sand, and crushed granite. And I've already added some water to it. And then I'm just going to add this on top. Some more. I've just firmed this up. I'm going to wet it, and then I'm going to put it in a gallon bag. All I know about this clematis is that it's white. I don't know how old this vine was when my mother got it and how long she's had it. Keep it in your gallon bag for 6 to 8 weeks, and then roots should develop. If you have roots at that time, take it out of the bag and repot into potting soil.